Marianne, there's someone I want you to meet. This is Connell.
Oh, right. Hi.
Connell Waldron. We were at school together. I know you probably hate me, but you're the only person who actually talks to me.
You never said that I hated you.
I like you.
You were saying the other day that you like me as a friend or what?
Not just as a friend.
See, I'm just a little confused about what I feel. I would miss you if you didn't want to see me anymore. I asked Rachel to the Debs today.
I think you should go. You should go.
I miss you. I can't really talk to anybody the way that I talk to you.
I've missed you.
Yeah. Yeah, you do. I don't really know what happened between us, to be honest.
You said you wanted to see other people.
Marianne. I miss you.
I miss you too. I know we've not, we haven't really done the whole friendship thing, but I guess I was just wondering if we could. Hello.
Hi. You make me really happy.
I like making you happy.
It's
I love you.
Just kiss me.
I want this so much.
I missed you.
It's not like this with other people.
Yeah, I want to like you a lot more with other people. I think you're very pretty. You're beautiful.
Hope you don't find it too hard trying to resist me.
Marianne.
I tempted you.
You know I love you.
Always.
I really love you, Marianne.
I love you too. Did you ever think about asking me to the Debs?
I wish that I did. Marianne. I really am sorry.
I forgive you.
Jesus Christ, come here.
Hit me.
Look at me a second. I would never hurt you.
How do you know what you want?
I don't. I think it's pretty obvious I don't want to leave. Everything's gonna be alright, trust me. 'Cause I love you.
Thank you. We have done so much good. I'm never lonely when I'm with you.
I don't know how it can change.
I think we'll be fine.
It's all we know.
I'll go.
All we know.
And I'll stay.
The